Horror Nights!
Scary houses, 5 scare zones, and this is their first time coming, so I cannot wait to show them what we have here at Halloween Horror Nights.
In the neighborhood.
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
We're going in Insidious.
Insidious. Uh-oh.
No.
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 Oh, they're going. Do we have to do this one?
Yes.
Insidious? That even, like,
Well,
no.
we're the only ones wearing sunglasses for a reason.
No. I would go through that again.
He was pulling me.
I would pull his pants down.
Man, they were scared. I was not scared.
He was not scared.
Nope.
And
neither.
this was SJ. Okay, so we just came out of Insidious. And it was pretty intense. The boys said they wasn't scared, but I was behind him, and I can honestly say that was the best view that I could have ever asked for, because those two moved, jumped, screamed more than I ever.
I think I heard everyone in our entire group
I'm locking in now.
scream.
Even me.
Even me.
They have you a 1 or 2 jump scares, but
Yeah, they had me with the
we're
first
keeping it
one.
strong.
They had me with the first one.
For me, it was pretty good. Wasn't as frightening as Insidious. However, it was the first time that one of them really got me. I looked over to the right because I saw one, and as I turned back to the left, he was right there in my face. So it got me really good.
If there's ever ghosts around, we're gonna smile a lot.
Oh, just in the call.
I love it. It was phenomenal.
I was scared. That was pretty good. Yeah, that was really good. No, I mean, that was really good.
Incredibly good at hearing, so any single sound will set them off to kill you.
This is crazy. This is so good.
I gotta protect these boys, they said.
We sold out, dog.
So Bert, did you like the candy? Here, jump on in here, SJ.
No.
Did you guys like what was it called? The candy? The
Take 'em.
sweet. Did you guys like the sweet factory?
You know,
I don't know why they want to kill us for it. We didn't do nothing.
they were all on both sides, so you never know where they be at, and they're like right
I
here.
ain't gonna lie.
Had me
First one, she was
startled.
looking good. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Down
Jumping
in your
everywhere.
skin.
He was jumping everywhere like a little bunny.
I was gonna say both of you guys were jumping around like bunnies. So I think that was pretty amazing, and I liked it. And I heard Doug scream a couple times too.
Yeah. We all know who was screaming when we left. I was walking like this the whole time.
I seen the werewolf. I heard it pop out. I looked right. I started sprinting to the back.
And the two people got him. One of them got me.
It was good. That was good.
tell you what, you guys did a whole lot better than I thought you would, and I'm super proud of you guys. You've been here for a lot of hours. You've seen 10 houses, 5 scare zones, and a lot. We've tried some snacks. We've done a lot tonight. So I would say Universal Orlando has blown it out of the park again with Halloween Horror Nights.
All right, it's been an incredible night. One more house to go. I tell you what, it's been so good. I wouldn't want to do this with anybody else. So thank you, Universal.
Thank you,